Hello everyone, how are you today? I trust you are good. I welcome you all back to today's class. So, without wasting much of our time, I will be teaching you tonight logo design. But the logo that I'll be teaching you tonight now is about fashion logo design. So, without wasting much of our time, let's go to today's work. So, now I need some shapes and images that I want to use for this logo. So first of all, I click on my shape. I need a circle shape. Okay, this is the shape I want to use now. So then once I do this, I have to go and apply texture background to it. I want to apply texture background. I'll go to my gallery and look for the texture I want to apply. Okay, I'll be taking this one. Yeah. Then I enable it. Okay. That is nice. So the next thing I want to do now is I will be adding another shape. I adjust this one, centralize it, take it better like this. Okay, then I merge this together. After merging, I erase this white part. Can you see? And I increase the tolerance so that it will be smooth. And I bring forth my image that I want to use. This is the image that I'll be using. I'll be using this image. So what I will do now is just to adjust it into that circle. So before inputting the image, I've already hid the image. I have to give this shape a 3D view to make it 3D shape so that it will look very nice. There is my 3D shape. I enable it and it brings this. So no matter if I want it to be dark, I will increase or decrease the darkness anyhow I want it. That's it. If I want to rotate it, but I am not rotating anything now. So I think I love it like this. So then I bring forth my image now. So this is it. And the next thing I will do now is I have to change this image. I have to give this image a texture background too. Click on my texture. Apply the same texture I use for the shape. I crop it. Yes. Can you see it now? Yes, that is about it. So as you can see, it changes. So the next thing for me to do now is to bring in the text that I want to use. I will be using bees, for example. Capitalize it. let's change this color, the color for the text. Okay, I think this one is better. And you can change the font too. Let me look at the font that will be okay for it. Let's see this one. Like this font is okay. Let me adjust the shape a bit. Centralize it. Adjust this also a bit. Give it a shadow. Yes. So the next one now is that I want to put another text. This time around, let me choose apparel. Apparel. So I'll change the font style. For the first I can use should we go for this? Okay, let's go for this. Yes, this is better. Okay, let's change the color first. Yeah, this is a color. Okay, then let's increase the size. Okay, yes, it's set now. So the next thing we just do now is to apply texture to all those texts too. You can use that same, yes, you can use that same texture, but it might not be the same. The way I cropped it, then it might be another color pattern. So we'll go for this one now. So let's check this one first. Okay, let's go with this first. The same thing applies to this. Enable it. Okay, now let's stroke it. Next what we do now is to stroke. Let's stroke those. Okay, let's stroke this one too. Sorry, stroke. Okay, let's go for the shadow. Then enable the outer glow. Okay, yeah, I think this should be better. Okay, let's leave it like this. This is better. Then okay, then the next one, dealers in. Just to the dumpers. Okay, let's add under text. We have Vespo, suit, then ready to wear. Sorry. So let's change this font. Okay, this should be okay. Let me build it. Okay, and this one, I will use this thing. I will use texture for it. Let me build it too. Okay. Okay, let's leave it like this first. So the next thing now, the final thing we have to do now is to bring the background that will be the background we'll be using for it. Sorry, that's a mistake. Okay, let me use this background. I love this background. So you just have to adjust this background. So you centralize it, then you take it to the back. Wow, then our logo is ready. So can you see, as simple as that? That is just about the logo stuff. Thank you for watching and God bless. So that is about it. Thank you for watching. So if you want to save it now, you just have to click on this save icon. You can save it as project, you can save it as images, anyhow you want it. Now save as image, then select the PNG format, then select Ultra, then save to gallery, and you wait for it to save. Hey. Sorry for that. So you save as image. And either you want to save it as image or you want to save it as project. Just save. Then you click on save to gallery. Then it will save automatically. So now you save. So that is the end of it. We shall meet next class. Take care.